Leaking when you laugh, cough or exercise, it's not normal. Stress incontinence happens when your pelvic floor muscles can't support your bladder properly. Pregnancy, childbirth, menopause and even chronic constipation can make it worse. But you don't have to live with it. There are ways to fix it. First, try diaphragmatic breathing. This activates your core and the pelvic floor. The second is to remember that pelvic muscles don't work on their own. They need your glutes and hips to be strong as well. And the fourth is pelvic floor therapy. Tailored pelvic floor exercises often work better than random Kegel. Come and control, and I'll send you the document with details of the exercises you should be doing for stress incontinence.